welcome to my channel. This is Kendy Jane, and a January 2019 Boxycharm box was just revealed. I wanted to bring you the lowdown and so you can see exactly what's in this one box. First, it had the Rainforest of the Seas limited edition eyeshadow palette. This is the one that's used for everyday eye looks, which sells for $36. The second items were the Tatcha, Luminous, and Dewy face mask, and there's two in the box for $12. The third item is a Ofra Cosmetics lippy, and it sells for $20. Now our fourth item is by Million Dollar Brows, and it is one of their brow pencils with the spoolie on the other side. These sell for $16. It's supposed to be a very good eye pencil. The last item is by Briogeo. It is the Rosarco Milk Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray, and this sells for $20. And what this is, it's for people who have dry, damaged, and brittle hair, and it's an ultra lightweight leave-in conditioning spray fortified with a unique blend of nourishing rosehip, argan, and coconut oils. And it's safe for color treated, keratin treated, and chemically treated and relaxed hair. That is our 5 products. Now it looks like a very small bottle of this spray. I'm only seeing a $20 bottle, so we'll have to see about the size when we get it. So this is our 5 items. This is one variation of the 5 items, I should say. So what do you think about this box this month in January? Please leave it in the comments. Remember about our January giveaway. We have that James Charles collaboration with Morphe palette and the Anastasia Beverly Hills soft glam palette. Make sure you get in on the giveaway. All the rules will be below. Thank you all for watching again. Please help me out by sharing and subscribing to my channel. And please give me a thumbs up if you liked my video. And until we meet again, take care. Bye.